Don't press this button in the car randomly, as it could be life-threatening. Many people have been driving cars for more than 10 years and don't know how to use internal and external circulation. Learning to use it will not only save more fuel when driving, but it can also save your life at critical moments. First, when someone is smoking in the car, open the external circulation to quickly exhaust the smoke in the car. Second, when there is a traffic jam, the internal circulation should be opened so that the exhaust gas from outside the car cannot enter the car. Third, when it's very hot in summer, turn on the AC to open the internal circulation. In this way, the air conditioning inside the car cannot escape and the hot air outside the car cannot enter. Fourth, in winter, turn off the AC and open the external circulation. This way the glass will not frost easily. Fifth, when parking, be sure to open the internal circulation. It can prevent mice from entering the car. Sixth, when driving at high speed, open external circulation every 15 minutes. It can prevent the driver from becoming sleepy due to lack of oxygen. Seventh, when it rains, turn on the AC and open the external circulation. At the same time, turn on the glass blowing mode. This way the windshield won't fog up. Have you learned it? Follow me to learn some car knowledge every day.